Tonight in Gravette, a group of first responders awarded for their work and their bravery during the Memorial Day weekend tornadoes.
5 News reporter Lauren Spencer shares the story of a few firefighters who say responding in moments like these are why they do it.
You see the relief in their face that we finally made it to them.
Everybody was just helping everybody.
While you could say Decatur saw the brunt of the Benton County storms, that didn't matter to Gravette first responders.
Through all of the obstacles, they didn't let that stop them.
We introduced you to Jesse and Renee Pointer, who survived the tornado in Decatur after their mobile home flipped. Captain Travis Harp was one of the first to get to them.
We deemed them that night the most critically injured people that we found.
He helped get the couple on stretchers.
Field acquired a tractor to load them on, and we used ratchet straps and put them on the tractor to get them out of there. A lot of the people that were here that night weren't paid to be there.
It's people like Dakota who took shelter in his laundry room.
I had my radio on and I listened to all the calls going out. I knew it was time to head to the station and get ready to go.
Or Grant and his wife Riley, also a firefighter, watching the radar.
We knew it was going to be big, so we went ahead and headed to the fire department.
They risked their lives rescuing and treating 18 patients. They also helped respond to more than 1,200 calls.
We had to hike many miles to get through terrain and around pastures and cutting fence and getting over trees and over power lines. And it was very much like out of the movies. You wouldn't imagine you'd see something like that.
Doing what they learned to do.
Riley, she ended up taking patient care, and I ended up clearing houses.
Training definitely kicked in, and it very much helped us get through the night.
Now recognized with a Distinguished Service Award from the city.
This is fantastic. Show that your work doesn't go unnoticed.
Unnoticed, it doesn't. To those 18 rescued and the rest of Benton County.
Through the chaos and the devastation, they never skipped a beat.
In Gravette, covering news where you live, Lauren Spencer, 5 News.